Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're gonna see how we can apply for a tourist visa for St. Lucia. Before I proceed further, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, many people don't need to apply a tourist visa to St. Lucia in advance. You can apply at on arrival also, and there are like you may even not need a visa to St. Lucia for short trips for tourism. So let's go through the requirement. So the fee here is like 125 Eastern Caribbean dollars for single entry and 190 for multiple entry for a period of 1 year. Now, requirement is like you need to fill the application form and you need to submit at least 2 weeks prior to the travel date. And you need two certified passport size photograph passport valid for at least 6 months, return ticket, copy of travel itinerary, proof of order, private accommodation, and letter of invitation if required. Now the question comes, where are you going to apply it if you need to? So you will be applying at your nearest consulate. Okay. For example, I have opened this Consulate General of St. Lucia in Toronto. So here, if you see, like for non-immigrant visa, they have like two things. What is the requirement by the country of citizenship? And then second is the non-immigrant visa. So now here you can see PTS stands for prior to arrival, like in advance. POE stands for port of entry. No means you don't even need. For example, if you're a Canadian citizen, you don't need a visa to go there for tourism, short duration. And if you're from India, you can apply at port of entry also. But for Indonesia, port prior to arrival. So it depends, like where you are. All right. So this was the first part. That's now clear. Now we are going to the second part, which is the uh, visa application form. So they have given the checklist. Okay. Completed visa application form, valid passport, two photographs, return airline ticket, copy of. Okay. So this, I'll tell you why this is appearing, because we have selected Canadian embassy, right? So as you can see that those who have Canadian nationality, they don't need a visa to uh, travel to St. Lucia. So if you are not in Canada as a citizen, like permanent residence copy or copy of valid work permit, just to make sure that you have maintained legal status in Canada. So it can vary based on your location. Travel itinerary, proof of hotel, letter of invitation, school, college or college confirming attendance if student. All right, proof of sufficient statement, job letter. Okay, fine. Whatever applicable. Fee they have given. Photographic specification also they have given. Now, good thing about this form is you can fill it over and then you can print it. So first they have asked for name, date of birth, place of birth, other information. Section 2 is present employer or school, like what you are doing. The address you will stay St. Lucia. If you have been there before, how much money you will be having for your proposed stay. This is for travelers traveling through United Kingdom only. So, and this is for official use. So it's pretty simple, guys. So you can you can just go through it and this will definitely help you. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.